Moving on here in the 9312 phone, we have an intercom key. I think that's wonderful. If I want to do an intercom call and talk to other people in the organization, I've got a button dedicated for that purpose. This envelope icon is obviously for your voicemail. Press into that, and you can go into your voicemail messages and check those as well. This button here, this little upside down teardrop button, is what you use to get into the presence settings menu. I press on that. Right now, highlighted in blue, the phone is telling me that I'm in office, I'm ready to take calls. I have several other options at my disposal. I can be in a meeting, on vacation, business trip, at home. I could be busy, I could be away. Select whichever presence setting you want simply by using the up and down buttons on this navigation wheel. So if I want to be away, I press on that, and notice when I change that presence setting to away, this tells me and it tells other users on the system that I am away. Everything is color-coded and it gives you the appropriate label. It's that simple. Once I get back to the office, press the presence setting key again, use my navigation button, come back to the in-office selection, press the button, I'm in the office. Another item of note with presence, if you use the default greetings in Allworx system, the messages will tell your callers a generic message that the party's either in a meeting, out of the office, what have you. You can, if you desire, record your own personal greeting for each of these presence selections. Something to keep in mind.